Hey guys, Rick Curren of TV Scaly Adventures, and today I want to show you some tools that we use here in our own reptile room. Now I know that you guys know that Midwest Tongs is world famous for providing equipment to large institutions and zoos and things like that are commercial grade. These things are great. Like this one right here, this is the Python hook. I actually use one of these in my own collection, believe it or not, when we're moving our 10-foot boa constrictor. But what if your needs aren't to the large? What if you're not working with a 10-foot boa constrictor? What if you're just working with some small elapid in a laboratory, or perhaps you're working with even just a nippy corn snake in your own private collection that you're tired of getting bit by? Well, Midwest Tongs has an answer for you. Let me run them over for you. The first one that we have is the mini hook. The mini hook has 2 rubber grip points. It weighs just under an ounce. It's all aircraft grade aluminum, and it has a nice deep hook on here so that the snake will rest in it very comfortably. But the dexterity on this is amazing. Literally, it's like holding a pen or a pencil in your hand, and it's so fast and easy to move. This tool will become one of your favorites for working with small snakes. Now, moving right up the line, the next they have the mini pinner hook, and this has a cushioned pinner down at the bottom. And again, a rubber grip up here at this end, and it gives you just the ability to move quickly. Again, coming in at just under an ounce. And finally, if you're like me, this is my favorite tool of the bunch. What if you have to do hooking and pinning sometimes at the same time, one to the other? Well, this is your tool right here. This is the mini hook and pinner combo. Again, just under an ounce, a fantastic tool. Feels like a surgical instrument in your hands, and has this nice rubber grip in the middle, so literally while I'm working I could keep one hand moving and just flip it. It's that fast. Pin, I can hook, I can do whatever I have to do, all in one combo tool. A great tool, the mini hook and pinner combo tool. Now, in case you want something just a little bit different, you can always go with a stainless steel shaft, again 24 inches long with a wooden handle on it. This is just a great tool for being able to reach down into a long cage and move an animal, and knowing that stainless steel shaft is durable and is going to hold up. But let me show you this tool in action. I'm going to actually pick, like I said, my favorite, which is the mini hook and pinner, and I'm going to demonstrate with a corn snake. This corn snake tends to get a little nippy right around feeding time, so this is a tool I like to go to because, hey, I work with snakes every day, but I don't like to get bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach down inside here, and I am going to hook this corn snake. I'm able to hook her very easily. Notice that shaft is not bending at all. It is very durable. She is perfect because she's just under a pound, so she's able to work on this hook with no problem. That deep hook lets her rest comfortably inside of it, long enough for me to move her wherever I need to. And of course, that 24-inch shaft allows me to keep my hand far enough away that if I have to tail her and move her, I can do it. Once I'm done with that, I put her safely back inside of her tub. And then, if she decides she wants to come back out and visit, all I have to do is put the head pinner down on top of her, very gently, holds her in place long enough for me to slip the lid back on. So guys, if you're working with small snakes and you want to stay safe and you just want to keep your animals safe, I encourage you to check out the mini hook and pinner combo or any of the other tools that I showed you today. They're available at tongs.com, world-class, American-made, and you can't go wrong with them. Stay tuned and check out tongs.com.